In today's video, we are going to show you how to do affiliate marketing on Reddit without getting banned. Let's begin. Affiliate marketing on Reddit can make you money, but if you do it wrong, you'll get banned fast. Now, I know it's not easy, that's why we are going to share a strategy that we are using. So number one is you want to make sure to understand the Reddit's functionality. Because you have to realize Reddit is not a social media platform, it's a collection of communities called subreddits. Now, before you join any subreddit communities, you want to make sure to use a real username, not a brand name, because it would look spammy. Okay, so you also need to confirm your email, add a basic profile bio, let your account age for at least like 7 to 14 days. Let me tell you that Reddit hates new accounts that immediately drop links. So the first week or two, do not post any affiliate links. Okay? Once your account is ready, the next step is to join relevant subreddit communities to start building your reputation and online presence. Now, all I have to do is choose a niche that aligns with your interests or goals. And make sure the subreddit is active with a decent number of members, because from there, once you've joined that, okay, you need to focus on engaging and commenting, upvoting, and contributing value to discussions. You also might want to click the three dots action here to make sure that you read the rules of that specific subreddit. Now, this is the most crucial part because we are going to implement our strategy. And number one is going to be tracking parameters. Now, any links containing REF, VIA, or UTM parameters are going to get flagged immediately by Reddit's spam filters. It's very smart and they can easily spot that. I'm going to show you an example. Now, we have been using a specific affiliate link in one of our tutorial videos. Now, this is essentially going to get flagged if you post this as a comment. It's particularly inclined with our next strategy that posting direct affiliate links is not going to be helpful. Okay? So as you can see, Reddit's algorithm detects these patterns in milliseconds and the moderators ban repeat offenders. Now, our example, which is this affiliate marketing, contains any of the following parameter links. All right, so it has like a UTM, and of course, it's a direct affiliate link. So for us to be able to bypass that, we need to use a Google Chrome extension called Link Redirect Trace. What it does is, for example, this affiliate link, it's too long, it looks spammy, and looks suspicious, right? So with the help of this Google Chrome extension, it will be shortened to a more trustworthy marketing affiliate link, which can bypass the Reddit's algorithm to spot any suspicious link. Okay, but the thing is, as you may notice, it is a 302 redirect. Now, if we go back to our strategy, you would notice that 302 redirects are treated as suspicious by Reddit's security systems. They are associated with spam and phishing attempts. Now, you want to make sure that in order for you to have a 301 redirect, you need to buy a custom domain of your own. Okay, for example, we're going to be using this website. However, certain domains are permanently blacklisted across Reddit. Using these triggers automatic shadow bans where your comments appear only to you. If you want to know if a certain domain is banned or blacklisted, what you can do is copy the 301 redirect, go back to Reddit, and then chat with someone from the community. Okay, for example, let's say this one right here. Type that in. If the link or a specific domain is banned, you would easily notice that it will not appear here. Okay, it would say something like the domain is banned, and then it will notify you. However, as you can see that it went through, that means the domain is clean or it's not part of a blacklisted, to say the least. And remember to set limits. Okay, so do not do more than 5 to 8 comments containing the same domain within 24 hours because that triggers spam detection. And then the next that we are going to show you is to purchase custom domains. Now you can buy domains from reputable link shorteners like the link redirect trace. You can set up a permanent 301 redirects, which is absolutely critical for passing Reddit's checklist. Once you purchase custom domains, you can diversify your portfolio. Okay, you can rotate multiple domains to avoid pattern detection and reduce the impact if one gets flagged. And of course, remember to use unestablished accounts. High Karma and Age accounts have significant better success rates because building credibility before promoting offers is a huge advantage. You can simply create a blog, which of course gives a value to the users in the Reddit community. And of course, you want to make sure that your affiliate link can be found somewhere within your article. And in my case, the affiliate link is going to be this one. Okay? Now, if you wanted to share that specific blog, you can simply copy that blog link and then share it to the community of the subreddit that you are part with. Now, part of our strategy is using crowdreply.io. It is a Reddit outreach and engagement tool designed to help marketers, founders, and affiliates find relevant Reddit conversations and reply to them efficiently without spamming. Now, if you haven't signed up for CrowdReply yet, use our affiliate link in the video description to get a 10% off with the discount code provided. And once you've done that, it will be forwarded to the main homepage of CrowdReply. You have all the tools and features that you can explore in your own time at your own pace. CrowdReply is a user-friendly platform, and as you can see, the homepage is going to be the dashboard or landing page after logging in. It gives you an overview of your account, tasks, reports, and subscription status. The report section here shows performance analytics for any of your Reddit campaigns. You have metrics like reply sent, upvotes received, engagement rates, clicks on your links, and it helps you see which tasks are driving the most results. And of course, the new task is the place where you want to create a new Reddit campaign. You can put in the thread URL, the comment right here, and then what will happen is this is how you start using CrowdReply for any of your affiliate marketing. And of course, the Fun Reddit Threads lets you search for relevant posts or discussions on Reddit. Of course, you can search by filter, keywords, or post age, which is ideal for posts where you can provide helpful replies or share your bride page without getting banned. Okay? And then the task tracking tracks the progress of your tasks. You can see which threads you've replied to, which are pending, and their high performance, helping you manage multiple campaigns efficiently. And the order of votes is a feature to boost engagement on Reddit comments. It's usually used to increase visibility of your reply, your bridge page link without violating any Reddit rules. You should be used carefully. Too much artificial engagement can be risky. All right? And with that being said, and that's it for today's video on how to do affiliate marketing on Reddit without getting banned. It's not easy, but with the right strategy, it can definitely work. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions. Would love to hear from you. Also, be sure to check out our affiliate link in the video description to get a 10% amazing off using CrowdReply. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.